Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, everybody. I am Wajid Ali Khoso. So today I'm going to suggest all of those persons who are thinking that success is something. But usually, if I would say, there are three kinds of person in this world. One, who have become successful. Second, who are still on that path, who are still struggling for their success, who have found their goal, but they could not went or approach there. Third one, who still could not find their goal. That what we have to be, what is our goal, what is our ambition, what is our passion. So number first, now for example, everybody gives the example of those persons who have become successful. Number first is, now if you are following the all the things which the successful person have followed, that is your mistake. You should do all the things which you have got, which skills you have got. Now if you will say everybody has his own things, the successful persons, why did they become successful persons? Because they brought some changes in their lives. What success need is changing. Changing is the must thing in person's life to be successful. Number first thing, what is, they have brought the changes in their habits. They have brought the changes in way of living. They have brought the changes in meeting with the people, that what kind of a people we should meet with. Now to come with the third person. Now sorry to third, not third person, second person, who are in that path but still could not approach there. For that I would say for them that they are thinking so much. They are sensitive persons. Why? Because whenever something happens in person's life, they are thinking that why this is happening, what should I do, what should be solution for that. These kinds of questions are going round and round and being obstacle in front of that path. So it means that their focus is out of their path. They have to go on another path, but they are going on another path which is not worth for their career, for their future. So I would suggest to them that you should not be sensitive. You should think about yourself, the things which are worth for you. Now number the third person, who still could not find their way. Now there are a lot of reasons, I would say. Number first reason is this, that they did not get any kind of a career counseling. Now what is career counseling? This question must be coming in your mind. Career counseling is what, that whenever we meet some person who knows about the success, who knows about the career, that how should we make the career, he will give us the suggestions. That is the career counseling. Now in career counseling, what happens, that we recognize our skills, what skills we have. It doesn't matter in whatever others are saying, that we have to be a CSS officer, that we have to go on there. No, according to skills. What type of skills, what kind of skills you have. If you have the skills to be a teacher, you should go on that path. If you have skills to be a police officer, you should go on that path. If you have skills to be a CSS officer, you should not see the peoples. You should not be worried about your financial issues, financial problems. That I have financial problems, I cannot go out of the city. We can say that everybody is saying that we should go to Lahore for CSS preparation, but you can also do here if you have passion, if you have ambition. Now, another thing which I would suggest them, that is thing, that you should think in a good way. You should recognize yourselves. You should make your mind satisfied. Now, how you will get the satisfaction by your success? That is when you will get admirers, when you will be appreciated by the persons. Now there are a lot of persons who criticizes us, who gives us the suggestions, but sometimes you have to ignore the suggestions, sometimes you have to ignore the criticizations. Now these things should not be balanced with each other. These things should be away from our life, this criticize and suggestions. Now you have to follow yourself, you have to recognize yourself, you have to think that what skills you have, what thing you have to do, what thing is there to satisfy your mind. That is the least thing you can do. So in the last, thank you so much for listening me. Thank you so much for listening me. And in the last, I would suggest the peoples that live in your houses. These situations which we are facing these days, the coronavirus and all of the issues which are going in the cities, the livelihood issues for the laborers. I would suggest them that please cooperate with the government, because government is thinking about us, about our lives, about our situations which we are facing these days. So please Live in your house, save yourself, save the public.